Hello, welcome back to my channel UPBGE. Today I'm going to share about my idea to make a switch scene to user interface. Alright, I'm going I gonna show you one time. Alright, you can see it's just a simple game to have. And then I'm gonna show you when I press some button to set to another scene, such as user interface or menu or uh, anything else you want, by using a basic Python script. As you can see in the right side, you can see a Python script include set word transform or anything else about set a property, etc. Alright, I'm gonna press F on my keyboard. Now my camera is switching to user interface. Okay, let's see about behind the scene. Alright, I want you to see in the first part. You can see about my character and a simple ground, and you can see the camera is working about this actuator called camera. Alright, the second part is user interface in the right side. Is near workspace game. You can see I made a simple object called cam manager. So this object I decided to put a Python script on it. You can see in the button window on Logic Brick Editor. Alright, it includes Python script called cam manager, and you can see in the right screen over here. Alright, you can see I can figure out how to use Python script to build a camera look. I think it's much more difficult for me. It's hard to do for me. Alright, so I decided to use a simple that I know and what I have. You can see I have one statement about if. Alright, this statement control about this camera. This statement shows you that when a property of camera is on, this actuator, this behavior runs. But if when this property turn to off, you can see this actuator doesn't run. Alright, and then at the same time in this line you can see this camera set position to this empty. Alright, I'm gonna show you once again. Right now the camera is working and looking at a character. And now when I press F on my keyboard, you can see the camera is moved on empty object. As you can see when I'm wheel the game like this. So this video shows you when you want to switch camera, switch scene game, you can use with easily Python script like me. Okay, I only just use set camera, set about world transform, and set property in camera object. Okay, when I press F again, the camera move to character again. Alright, in the next video I think I want to make about select of item and user interface about health bar or and more information about information to inform player to play. Alright, when a character gets item and the item shows on the item slot on this user interface. This is just begin. Alright, okay, I will show you in the next video. Hopefully this video help you to feeling well and making a game with fun. Alright, see you later, bye.